Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn water resources together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study water resources, why fresh water is becoming scarce, how dams help, and the ways we can harvest and conserve water. Although water covers most of the earth, only a small part is fresh and usable. Growing population, farming and industries raise demand, while pollution reduces clean supply, causing serious water scarcity. Multi-purpose river projects build dams to store water for irrigation, generate hydroelectric power, control floods, and supply cities. Examples include the Bhakra Nangal and Hirakud projects in India. Large dams also bring problems. They submerge land and forests, displace local communities, and disturb the natural flow of rivers and the life within them, leading to protests like the Narmada movement. Rainwater harvesting is an old and effective solution. By collecting rain in tanks, ponds, and pits, communities store water for dry times and recharge the groundwater beneath the soil. To recap, usable freshwater is limited and scarcity is growing. Multi-purpose dams provide many benefits but also cause harm, so rainwater harvesting and conservation are essential. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.